Durock POM Linears. Let me show you guys the keyboard first. The Jelly Epoch. Durock POM Linears, Durock V2 stabs, lubed, filmed, spring swapped. We're doing the Jelly Epoch today. Well, we gotta wipe here. Okay, so I was actually asked by Mr. Syra. Apparently there were some requests to do CRP caps. Is this true? Do you guys want some CRP caps on today's build? To hear some CRP, PBT. CRP? We could do some CRP. All right, let's start, guys. Let's take a look. I'm gonna open it all up. We got our foam here too. We're gonna open it all up now.
Oh, thank you, dude.
Go. Oh, so this is interesting. We're gonna have to unscrew from the top, I believe. Oh, is it from the top? Oh no, it's from the sides. Oh, very cool. All right. So these side screws are super interesting. Just gonna put this in the lid here. So that actually comes out. That's actually pretty satisfying the way that comes out. Interesting. So we unscrewed the side pieces there on the weight. Ooh, this do be kind of heavy. Ooh. Okay, so here's the acrylic piece. That's going to act as a diffuser, and there's LEDs on the opposite side of this. Ooh, okay, I'm going to move this to the side. Let's see how the inside of this looks. Oh, that's actually really nice. Oh, so there's some more diffusers here. Interesting. Mr. Vise, how you doing? I'm doing okay. Interesting. Okay. So this is a very interesting build. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that. That's a dope weight. It is kind of cool. All right, and here's that top piece. So we get the middle piece here. Very interesting. I actually might go ahead and tighten these down later on. These feel like they're a little loose. These little side pieces here. You guys can kind of hear it, but cool. Very cool. And look, you guys can remove this piece too. We're gonna leave it on. Even though I'm not the biggest fan of that particular piece, we'll leave it on for now. All right, well, there we go. We've torn it down. That is the teardown of this. So what we're gonna do, let's put this down here too. We are gonna lube some switches. We're gonna lube some switches now. Or not switches, stabs. That's what we're doing. Stabilizers. Now, these do come with shims. So this is a thinner PCB. This is 1.2 millimeters. I've been pretty good without using shims. I've used a few 1.2 mil PCBs, and it seems like the Durock stabs are usually pretty good with it. I'm going to put it on right now, see how it feels without the shims. I am going to be putting washers on the bottom, so we will see. All right, so now we're just gonna do this. I want to say thank you to our sponsors, by the way. Salvin, who's gonna be releasing the Salvation on April 4th. Mr. Spacecables, tons of cool things in the works, including these desk pads you guys see on my desk today. And Kinetic Labs, they have the symmetric springs now. And we also have Kibu Store, who we're gonna be getting the Harbor from as well, which is gonna be a pretty neat keyboard, I think. Harbor should be pretty neat. Seriously, I want to take another minute or two and just thank you guys in the community. Nothing for content, I don't mean that, I just mean for being people. As you guys know, sometimes it's a community full of wants sometimes. We definitely all want the coolest and latest, greatest thing. Sometimes we don't get it. Thank you guys for remaining responsible and mature about the whole hobby. Thank you guys for remaining positive. Thank you guys for being good people. I think it's very, very, very... You shaking a lot? Cordos, I always shake. I think it's very, very important that we maintain a good atmosphere, and you guys are awesome for doing so. So thank you guys. Definitely makes the hobby more enjoyable. Ooh, that do be feeling pretty good. Better way I can describe that is I don't remember if there was a switch. Ooh. That actually sounds and feels really good. I'm really excited for this. We haven't put it in a case yet. Okay, that's cool. I'm excited. So just to show you guys what we're doing here. Some of them are not, you can see they're not all the way through. So I'm just going through and making sure they're all the way through, just like what you guys see over here versus this. All right. This is probably due to the flex cuts. It's not allowing like a good, strong press through. So just make sure you guys can kind of see that that's happening. Okay. If you guys are going to be using this as reference for when you do yours. Okay, so these go facing the bottom, guys. These face the bottom. And these just slip on just like that. Ooh, that's kind of cool. These are kind of cool. I think if you guys want a piece of advice from me with, you know, including switches and stuff, there's one thing that I've learned recently is that it's really easy to judge something or like say one thing's better than the other. But one thing that I tend to always forget about is someone else's experience and someone else's, you know, journey through everything in life is going to be completely different than mine. And I think there's something of beauty in that. So I've been taking a lot more time to really think about that as well. Hold on. It's still setting up apparently. Relax, computer. Oh, I'm sorry. There's probably a lot of noise with that. Oh. Here, let's do the modifiers. Dude. And, okay, let me see if I can illustrate some flex. I suck at illustrating this stuff, but here, we'll try anyways. You guys can see it. Whoa. Okay, so it's weird because there is flex. There is flex to this. With my typing style, I'm not really noticing it. However, it's a very soft typing experience to me. Oh, make a ping. It definitely does feel soft. It's in between. It's not the softest, but it's still very nice. Oh, this is very nice, dude. Ooh. Dude. Is there vibrations? Not at all. There is no vibrations that I feel. What springs? 55 gram. There is no vibrations that I feel. I love the arrow keys too. Yeah, I really like this. Ooh, I like this a lot. What foam is used? The J's fixed now. I don't know. Maybe it just needs some settling in. Beats me. What films? They were Kelowna films. Kelowna? This is really nice.